So in my video here, I am making my own topiary balls. I went to the Dollar Tree and bought some of this moss that they had there. They have a package for $1. I was able to get a lot of uses out of it. And actually, the foam balls there are $1, but I happened to be in the toy aisle and seeing these little plastic baseballs, and it came in a bag of 3. And since, this is a better deal than 1 for $1, I got 3 for $1. That way I can make my own topiary balls. And I have it here in this milk glass jar, and I'll be able to fit 3 in here for a little display. Looks very nice, very green, refreshing, just like spring and summer. Alrighty, thank you for checking out my YouTube channel. Hopefully I have inspired you to come up with your own creative ways to make your own things and saving money while doing it. Thank you. Bye.